There's nothing like that, by the way, for the records. So they want to exit, which is why I'm saying I would attempt to answer your question. And I think you were saying they've exited. They haven't exited. They're still within the CPS. So they want to exit. And the reason they want to exit is because their benefits are small. They are comparing their benefits to what their counterparts in the military are earning. And they are not happy with that. So they want to be at par with the military. So what we did was to engage them. And we explained to them that we share their frustration because we work for anything that puts more money in the pockets of ordinary Nigerians, no matter what. So we've explained to them that we are going to help them to actualize their goal. Let's forget exit. What do you want? Improved benefit. If we succeed in doing that, it doesn't matter whether you do it whilst in the scheme or outside the scheme. We're working on how their benefits can be reviewed. And all of them are aware of this. Now, I know there are camps amongst the police. Some of them not too much aligned with what we are doing. But some of them, all they just want is a better standard of living, which is what PenCom is fighting for, right? And we are taking it up with the right authorities on how to improve their pensions. And you were talking about ASUs in terms of people getting pensions when they retire. There are no ASUs. I'm not aware of ASUs. When you retire and you have all your documentation complete, you get paid. In fact, every day my team is checking social media to see who is complaining. Some people are just randomly talking about pension. Before you know it, our team has contacted them to say what is happening here. So if you are aware of people who are having ASUs, please send them to us. As I sit here today, I'm not aware of any. Yeah, so you should send them to us. The commission is ready. And I should let you know that we also we're implementing a customer relationship management system to enable us have a single view of what is happening in terms of customer complaints across the country.